You are going to love the 2017 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front-wheel drive, trip computer, electronic stability control, day-night rear-view mirror, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, body color door handles, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning, power rear window sunshade. Come take a test drive today.